Hey everyone, welcome. So, this was a 4-hour trade I caught on Euro USD, and so um I like to do reviews and journaling past on the things I've done. You get. So this is like a review of the trade I caught. So this was a 4-hour trade on Euro USD. Sorry. So this was a 4-hour trade on Euro USD. So let's go to the higher time frame to see what was my thought process behind this trade. So not to waste our time, on the higher time frame, looking at this first shaded area here, so we can see that EU has been trending for a while, Then looking at this point, so we have a buy side liquidity that has been taken out, and then we have a sell side liquidity here. And then notice this area here that is shaded. As soon as price took out this buy side liquidity, so we can see a turtle soup here. That's the ICT 2022 the ICT 2022 course where he taught on turtle soup. So we can see that as price took out buy side liquidity here, we have a change in state of delivery. We can see the market structure shift here, and then we can also see price respecting fair value gap and then push to the upside. So, and price moves from internal range liquidity to external range, and external range to internal range liquidity. So it's possible that price will keep drawing downwards till it takes out sell side liquidity. But most importantly, seeing this, that buy side liquidity was taken out, and then we had the turtle soup here. Look at the change in state of delivery, and then the fair value gap. So knowing that, and then price created another fair value gap here, another fair value gap here. So the sell side liquidity and the fair value gap, that was acting as my draw. So and then I went down to the 15 minutes time frame. I went down to the 15-minute time frame. So this my black area here, this line, this is indicating the London start of London section for that particular day. So as soon as the section opened, we notice price created a fair value gap. So, and notice also that each of these candles, none of the candles closed above the fair value gap. They are staying inside of the fair value gap, as though it was acting as a resistance, pushing towards. So so price sold from that point, and then also and then also then we see a break of structure here. So as soon as the break of structure happened here, So entry position from this fair value gap here that price created before breaking the break of structure. So and price began to push back to that point. So as soon as price came into the fair value gap, then I entered, and then we can see price action. We can see how the candles are staying inside of the fair value gap. Only so we can see how the candles are staying inside of the fair value gap. Each of the candles closed back inside of the fair value gap, and then so initially I was targeting this low here, this low here, but I decided to close at this point for a 4 hour, and I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. So beautiful trade on EU. Thank you so much, and see you next time.